Thomas the Trackmaster Engine, episode 59, Christmas time on Sodor, hashtag last video of 2018. The engines were getting ready for Christmas. Eagle already set up the Christmas lights, and Thomas and the others set up the Christmas tree. Casey, Oliver, and Duck came to visit the sheds for Christmas. Hey Thomas, the shed looks really different. Oh yeah. Yeah, the old shed was destroyed. Wait, how was the old shed destroyed? Let's just say, someone left a fuel tanker in there when they were getting their train ready. The train uncoupled from him, rolled down the hill, and blew up the sheds. Oh, I'm sorry. That's alright. Eagle, hit the Christmas lights. Cool, eh? I'll get the tree. Wow, this is amazing, guys. Tell me about it. I wish Toby was here. I am here. Toby! Yeah. Gabriel freaking put me up here because we ran out of space and we used all of our scrap. And we used that scrap piece of wood that we were on up there. It looks like the whole NWR team is here. Gleaming, gleaming, gleaming. What do you think? So, I hope you all have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and Happy New Year. But wait, Thomas, I want to show my new paintwork. Oh yeah, blue lining. Blue lining, jealous. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And Merry Christmas, everybody.